Question number 89 on page number 100, 5.107. LMN were partners sharing in the ratio 3:2:1. The balance sheet on 31st March 2015 was as follows. The question appeared in 2016. So here in point number 1 in adjustment, it is given the new profit sharing ratio will be 2:1:1. So we need to calculate the gain or sacrifice. So here I have shown the calculation of gain and sacrifice, old share minus new share. Old share were 3/6, 2/6, 1/6, and new shares are 2/6, 2/6 and 1/6. So the difference comes out to be 1/6 for only L, nil for M and nil for N. So it means in the journal entry, this L's capital account will be affected for the premium of goodwill, and the amount of goodwill premium to be adjusted is 1,80,000 into 1/6. Why this 1,80,000? It is given in point number 2. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 1,80,000. Since the goodwill of the firm is 1,80,000 and the new partner's share is 1/6, so the amount to be adjusted for premium of goodwill will be 30,000 in the sacrificing ratio, and only the sacrifice has been made by L. Now revaluation account. It is given that the market value of investment was 36,000 and inside the balance sheet we can see the investment given is 60,000. So what is the difference? 24,000. So decrease is there. So decrease in asset will be in the debit side of revaluation account by 24,000. Then point number 4, machinery will be reduced to 58,000. Machinery now stands at 70,000. Now it is to be reduced to 58,000. It means 12,000 difference is there. Again decrease in asset is there. So again in the debit side I have shown that. Next one, point number 5. A creditor of rupees 6,000 was not likely to claim the amount and hence was to be written off. A creditor of 6,000 was not likely to claim. Decrease in creditor. So decrease in liability will be shown where? In the credit side of revaluation account. Then taking out the difference, that loss will be transferred to the capitals of L, M and N in their old profit sharing ratio. Now let us prepare partners capital account. We will start with the balance given in the balance sheet, that is 1,20,000, 80,000 and 40,000. Then there is a general reserve of 42,000 that will be distributed in the old profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1, and the goodwill premium will be adjusted in L's capital account only, since only the sacrifice is being made by L. Then we need to calculate the proportionate capital which is to be brought by O. So let us see how it is being calculated. So this is how you will calculate. He is for 1/6 share. Then I have added the credit side items for the old partners and deducted the debit items. Likewise for the second partner and the item in the debit side I have deducted. Then for the third partner, and this will be the 5/6 share. 5/6 share, and we have to find out the total capital of the firm. So this will be reversed. 5/6 will be reversed 6/5 to find out the total capital of the firm. So total capital this way we have calculated, and out of the total capital we need for O only 1/6. So 1/6 of 3,38,400 will be 56,400. So that we have shown there in the capital account. So here I have shown that by cash account 56,400. Then totaling these and then writing the balances, this capital account gets completed. Now the balance sheet. Debtors, since there is no change in debtors in the adjustment, so 46,000 I have written. Stock is written at 2,20,000 since no change. Investment, earlier it was 60,000, but in investment it is so in the adjustment it is given that it is to be reduced to 36,000. Then furniture 20,000. Machinery is also to be reduced to 58,000 from 70,000. And bank account, the balance given in the balance sheet is 34,000. 56,400 has been brought by the new partner, and 30,000 is the premium of goodwill. So this side the total comes out to be 5,400,000. Now in the liability side, the creditors 1,62,000 I have shown. Earlier it was 1,68,000. Since 6,000 is not likely to be claimed, so reduced that, and the capital balances then I have written. So again the total of this side, liability side, also comes out to be 5,400,000. So this is complete solution for question number 89.